Hello and welcome to Beenam Learning. In our last video, we have seen how to create a scheduled integration. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to schedule an integration at some frequency without human intervention. Let's see how to do that. Once you have logged into your Oracle Integration Cloud instance, navigate to integration and select the scheduled integration which you want to schedule at some frequency by clicking on the hamburger menu over here or the actions button and selecting add a schedule. Click on the add schedule. Add schedule window will open. From here there are two options available. Define recurrence. Under define recurrence we have two options, simple and iCal. Under simple there is frequency option like only once, days, week, months and hours and minutes. So if we select every 1 hour this must be scheduled, then we can do that. Okay, like if you want every 5 minutes, once in 5 minutes we want to schedule this integration, then we can set r as 0 and 5. If you want our integration to schedule daily once, you can select this every 1 a week. Okay, in month 1. Okay, like this. From clicking on this we can select from what date we want to schedule. Is it from today or from tomorrow? Okay. Repeat until. Choose expiry date. If you click on this we can select until when we want to schedule this. So this is one of the options. Next we will go to iCal expression. Okay, let me switch over to the documentation of Oracle. Here we can write an expression as suggested by Oracle, wherein we can mention the frequency, whether we want to schedule our integration daily or monthly or weekly. If it is daily, by what hour? 17. This is in 24-hour format. This is nothing but 5 p.m. 5:30 it will trigger 5:40 and in 5:50 at 0th second it will trigger. We can combine multiple iCal expression using this AND operation. So this will schedule at 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 5:40 and 5:50 p.m. as well as this will schedule at 6, 6:10, 6:20, 30, 40, 50, as well as this will this integration will schedule daily at 7, 7:10, 7:20, 7:30. Like this we can have multiple iCal expression. We can combine this multiple iCal expression with AND operation. In this case the frequency is daily and it will be scheduled once in 8 hours. So in a day it will be scheduled 3, as well as monthly it will be scheduled on 1st and 2nd at 12 o'clock. So there are a few examples provided by Oracle with the help of which we can build a iCal expression. As I told, daily, monthly, weekly, by day, by hour, by second, by. Let me switch over to this simple. Let me click on this only once integration. Let me schedule this integration to run every 10 minutes. So I have made this schedule effective from today until we have set the schedule. Click on this save button. Okay. Let me exit from here and click on this run or start schedule. On the pop-up click on confirm. As you can see we have got the list of schedules which are meant to run today. Starting the first schedule is in 9 minutes, next is in 19. If you see the difference in each frequency of scheduling is 10 minutes. Okay, let me stop this schedule. Click on this. In order to stop this schedule, click on this stop schedule icon, click on confirm. We go to edit. Here let me select iCal. Now we will do the same thing, use an iCal expression. Now switch over to this Oracle documentation and select this top one. Go over here and paste. Let me remove this by hour clause and remove this second scheduling iCal expression. By second I will keep as is. Here I am going to put as 10. Click on validate expression. iCal expression is valid. Click on save and exit. Now let me start this schedule using iCal expression. Click on confirm. As you can see over here, this has been meant to schedule every 1 hour at 10 minutes. Okay. Like this we can build our, scheduling the integration. If you want the same scheduling frequency with what we have done with simple recurrence option in icon expression as well, then we have to set this by minute clause with 10, 20, 30, 40 and 0th. Sorry, 50 and 0th. Okay, click on validate expression, click on save and go back. Now click on this start schedule and confirm. As you can see, this integration is meant to schedule every 10 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel.